Guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I'm back with another fun Lazy Susan pour, this time on a hexagon canvas. I've never used a hexagon canvas, so I'm pretty excited. And just to explain my setup really quick, I have this awesome Lazy Susan or Lazy Deborah spinner from Amazon. On top of it, I have a shower cap to help keep it clean. And then on the back of my canvas here, I put a couple pieces of double-sided sticky tape. And I'm going to just try to kind of center this. You don't need a lot of the tape, just enough to keep it on there. There we go. And I've decided today that I'm going to do very rainbowy colors, which for me means basically the primary colors. So I've got white and then yellow. And I hope I have enough yellow. I'm a little short on it. And then primary blue and primary red. And a bit more white. I'm just going to layer these. And I'm going to cheat a little bit with some golden sun. Just a little golden yellow there, which I think will look pretty. All right. And top it off, dash of white. There we go. Now on this canvas, I think I'm just going to go ahead and do a straight pour and then spin it out. I might have too much paint in my bowl here. I'm not sure, but we're going to just go for it. And I think this is going to come out pretty awesome. Okay, I'm already excited about that. I did have one random stray drip over here. I'm tempted to wreck it, but I think I'm just gonna go ahead and spin this out. It shouldn't need too much. But also, you don't have to just spin just to cover it. You can spin to get a pattern that you like. I'm very upset about this little green drop here. I think I'm going to actually spin that off. And guys, I do have paper underneath here to catch this runoff, which can then be used in other projects. So don't stress about it. It's just a lot of fun. Ooh, I'm actually really liking this. It's kind of gotten this more galactic feel than I was going for. I'll spin a few more times. Okay, I really like that. And you guys probably can't see, but there's actually quite a bit of reactions happening in here. So I'm going to go ahead and let this sit for a little bit. We've got red underneath there right now. You primarily see blue and yellow, but there is red under there that I think is coming up from underneath some of that paint. So let's let it sit here for a little bit and then we'll bring you in for a close-up. All right, so here we go for the close-up. I think this is actually quite perfect for this shape. I'm really happy with how this came out. Happy with the colors. It came out looking pretty light and delicate, which I love. So overall, I think this was a great piece. Pretty perfect for this shape, I think. All right, let me know what you guys think down in the comments, and I will see you all next time.